Meditation encompasses various techniques and practices, each with its own focus and purpose. Here are some of the most common types of meditation. Mindfulness meditation. This form of meditation involves being fully present and aware of the present moment. Practitioners observe their thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment, simply acknowledging them as they arise. Transcendental meditation, TM. TM is a technique where practitioners silently repeat a specific mantra to achieve a state of deep relaxation and inner peace. Breath awareness meditation. In this practice, attention is directed towards the breath. Observing the breath helps in calming the mind and staying centered. Visualization or guided meditation. This form of meditation involves creating a mental image or scenario, often guided by an instructor or recorded audio, to evoke positive feelings or enhance focus. Zen meditation, Zazen. Zazen is a form of seated meditation commonly practiced in Zen Buddhism. It involves sitting in a specific posture and focusing on the breath or a koan, a paradoxical question, to reach a state of insight. Chakra meditation. Based on ancient Indian traditions, chakra meditation focuses on aligning and balancing the body's energy centers, chakras, to promote overall well-being. Walking meditation. As the name suggests, walking meditation involves mindfulness while walking. Practitioners pay attention to each step, the movement of their body, and their surroundings. Body-mind meditation. This practice combines movement and meditation, such as in yoga or tai chi, to cultivate a sense of mind-body connection and inner peace. Mantra meditation. Similar to TM, this type involves repeating specific words or sounds to quiet the mind and attain a meditative state. Vipassana meditation, also known as insight meditation. Vipassana involves observing and investigating the nature of reality and one's own mind to gain insight and wisdom.